If you're a fan of weather, you probably heard the terms hurricane and typhoon bandied about. Hurricane expert Dr. Steve Lyons explains the differences and similarities between the two in tonight's Weather IQ.
One of our viewers recently asked, what's the difference between a hurricane and a typhoon? Well, that's like asking what's the difference between a car and an automobile. Virtually nothing. Let me show you what I mean. When we look at the large-scale picture of the globe, we call hurricanes or tropical cyclones or typhoons depending on where they originate. In the Atlantic Basin, they're hurricanes. In the Eastern Pacific, they're hurricanes, but the international date line is right here, and in the Western Pacific, we call them typhoons, but the phenomenon is exactly the same as a hurricane. In the Southern Hemisphere here near Australia, we call them tropical cyclones, and we call them tropical cyclones also over here in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. And interestingly, in the South Pacific, near the coast of South America, and in the South Atlantic, we do not have any tropical cyclones. That's tonight's Weather IQ. I'm Dr. Steve Lyons.
If you would like us to answer your...
Falling below zero in Florida. As some of you get out an extra blanket tonight in the southeast, think about our trivia question. The answer is coming up.
In tonight's Weather IQ.